Welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, I finally opened up the skating season for me. It's been a while, the weather wasn't good in the last month, and now I could finally start skating again. So in this video you're gonna see my first real skate session of the year. I really enjoyed it, I had a lot of fun, and I hope you gonna enjoy watching it too. So let's jump right into the video.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the
In the beginning, I really struggled getting back into my tricks. I haven't skated in over half a year, and it felt pretty weird staying on the board again.
I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember
But
life
I
before
really
you
felt
realize.
really fast that I started to get better and back into my tricks again.
Like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I
As you can see, I struggle to stay and stick a lot of my tricks. I developed enough board control to actually stay on the board but not stick the rest, and that's definitely something I'm going to work on in the next few months. My ollies got pretty consistent again pretty fast, and I'm really happy about that. Could have been way worse. But my control for getting into the backside 50-50 really leaves some wishes open. So that's something I'm gonna work on. The problem with my back 50-50 is mostly that I can get onto the grind, but then my footing on the board is so bad that I don't have the control to get off again. And that's still one of the biggest problems I have with actually landing the trick.
Aber der war super drauf. Ja.
I really started to get more consistently and nicely into the back 50-50. And I finally landed it after I'm trying it for basically a year.
Let's go. Coming out of such a long break for me, I really felt that I was struggling with getting back into the basics. But for me, I'm more like a social skater, so I really need other people to motivate myself and to push each other. And it's been a lot of fun to really see how I was struggling when I was still skating alone, and pretty fast getting better again and more comfortable on the skateboard. But also, I made a small intermission getting on the rollerblades. I'm way more confident on that, and that was a lot of fun as well.
For me, the rollerblades, I just feel so nice on them because I started rollerblading when I was way younger and never really forgot about the basics, even though I struggled a little bit with some tricks. But overall, it just feels way more flowy and nice to me than I feel on the skateboard. But it's still nice to be able to do both and making progress with both. I struggle to get back into one of the tricks that I used to really like to do, but it wasn't that bad for me because I just wanted to rollerblade a little bit. So I switched up the trick, and that one I landed pretty easily. I then started to try to do some airs again, and I really struggled in the beginning. Like, the airs at first felt really uncomfortable, but when I got a grasp of it again, they just felt really nice and floaty again. And after I was done with rollerblading, a lot of my friends arrived and we started having a pretty fun session on the skateboard.
More just fun, joking around and do some stupid stuff, because you really feel the more confident you get on the board, the more you can start joking around, and that, on the other hand, it's gonna give you more ball control again. And it's just nice that the weather here is finally started to consistently be good enough that I can go skating more. das war sehr cool. Verkack ist safe.
It's just been a really fun session because we're just joking around, not really taking it serious, trying specific tricks. It was more just seeing how we feel like, what feels nice, and trying random stuff. And especially getting ideas from each other is just so much fun.
As you can see, I had a lot of fun finally skating again. I made some progress again and relearned some of the tricks that I was already able to do. Please like and subscribe, share the video, comment if you have any criticism, and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye bye.